Hello you guys and welcome to my channel and welcome to the ScrapRoom Double Shot Kit process video for you. This is one half of the Double Shot Kit. When you get a Double Shot Kit, you get two kits of collections, two different collections, and they differ from the Flavors of the Month kit. So you can have a total of 6 different little mini curated kits from 6 different collections every month if you choose to. There's also add-ons you can do to that. It's amazing. Check out the links down below and the Facebook group. But I'm going to play with the new August one half of the Double Shot Kit today. So this is Echo Park All About a Girl. I happen to have some lovely photos of when my son and I got to meet my niece for the first time. So excited about that. So we're definitely going to document those with these beautiful papers. So Echo Park All About a Girl. This first one is called Heartfelt Sky. Now when you get a Double Shot Kit, you get 3 pieces of cardstock, 3 pattern papers, and some embellishments. The Flavors of the Month kits, you get 3 pattern papers, embellishments, and 2 cardstocks, but you get 4 different kits in the Flavors of the Month kit. So that's how they differ. So if you just want a little bit, you can do a Double Shot Kit. If you want a lot, you can do a Flavors of the Month kit. If you want it all, like I usually do, you do both, right? Okay. Anywho, back to the kit. So this is All About a Girl, Heartfelt Sky, gorgeous on this side, gorgeous on this side, beautiful purples. I love a good purple paper. This next one is called Prettiest Posies. They're beautiful flowers. And the back is this lovely green. And then the last pattern paper is Playful Plaid. It's exactly that. And a beautiful floral on the back as well. And then we get 1 sheet of Heather cardstock. That's this beautiful purple. And then 2 sheets of just some plain white cardstock. Also awesome. And then for our embellishments, we get the entire Echo Park 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Look at that. So that is what we get in this lovely collection. I cannot wait to play. I think I have an idea. I haven't done a grid layout in a really long time, so I think we're going to play with a grid today. So I'm going to trim down my photos a little bit. We're going to trim down some pattern papers, and we will get started. I'll be back with you shortly. All right, I've trimmed all my photos down to be 3 inches by 4.5. I originally trimmed them down to 3 thinking my lovely border dies I have were 3 inches wide, and then I could have them perfectly underneath and put them through my little Bira die cutting machine. But these are not, so that's not going to happen. But what I want to do is I want to mount or mat all my photos on white. And then have just a little bit a die cut edge underneath, and then mat them again bigger on bigger rectangles of different patterns, and we'll put it on the purple. You could do this with a punch as well. I just have these dies and they're so fun that I wanted to play with them. So what I'll do is I will just die cut a bunch of white strips, and we'll just put them on the bottom of all my mats. It'll still work. There's not going to be an issue. I will do it all in the same cardstock though, so I'll do it with the cardstock that came in my kit. But yeah, there's no issue with that. You might notice the seams, but it's not going to be to the point that it's going to bother me. So as long as you don't care, I don't care. That's all that matters. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of those strips die cut really quick, and we'll get my photos matted, and I'll get some pattern papers cut out as well, and then I'll check back in with you and we can see what that looks like so far, and then we can play even more. All right, you guys, this turned out super cute so far. I'm really liking it. I'm liking my scallop bottoms. So I was just trying to decide what pattern I want where, and I thought the purple for the title would be perfect, because then the square doesn't stand out as much, and then the photos will stand out more, if that makes sense. So we'll just have to make sure we line these guys up, because I'm horrible at that, before we glue. But this is kind of the arrangement I was thinking. Well, except for he's kind of... Maybe I do need to put her down here. And if that's the case, then I'm gonna switch this to this. Because he's kind of facing that way, so I wasn't so sure if I liked that. But I kind of wanted her front and center, but... And then I was gonna use the stickers, and then I was gonna spell hello with the silver. So I was gonna put sweet girl. And then put hello. Make that fit a little bit better. Okay. Maybe I'll even center it more. And then I can decorate each photo a little bit, maybe in a few spots. We could get a little journaling spot down here. I'm trying to think if I have a journaling spot or if I just need to write. Sometimes what I like to do is I'll take stickers like these ones and I'll just put white in the center, or like this one, and I'll make that a journaling spot. Let's see. I don't think I have any circles, but I have a template. That's too big. This is my 1.5 inch punch. Ooh, it would cover everything up perfectly. Do I want to do that? Get out the trusty creative memories. Punch. It's been around forever. Okay, and I can do some lines on here, just to have it there so it looks like it continues. Okay, so I'm going to start gluing these things together and down in a straight line. I'm going to glue this onto that sticker. I'm going to use it for journaling, and we'll go from there. So I'll check back in with you guys momentarily. All right, we got those all glued down, and then I was looking at the sticker sheet some more, and I was like, I thought, how cute would it be to put this banner at the very bottom, just with a little gap. Because I moved everything up a little. Oh, I like that. That's cute. So I'm gonna stick that down. And then let's embellish a little, shall we? When am I gonna put baby animals on anything else? Probably not very much. So we will put a little, fill in some of this space here. Are there any other butterflies? There are. Okay. I was gonna say, they better have given me more than one. There we go. Do some You're a deer. Hence the deer. Oh, that's crooked. That's okay. Beautiful girl. Okay. And if I'm kind of to do like one of the bows on this one. Beautiful girl. Put a bow on that one. You make me smile. There we got some bows. Some butterflies. And then I think we need some noodle drops. What do you guys think? I think so. Where's my silver ones? Silver moon dust. Yeah, we'll do this one. All right. Okay. Alrighty. There you go. There is my beautiful Echo Park double shot kit layout. I really like that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you check out the Facebook group as always for loads of inspiration and the really fun challenges that are going on. And make sure you go check out the blog. She will have lovely posts and shares and any details about some layouts that were made and the recipes and all the things. So make sure you check out the website as well. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.